In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset or reinstall the Microsoft Store on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left side, select system. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says system components. And then either search the system components field here of the installed ones, or you can search at the top, locate the Microsoft Store on the list, select the three-dot icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Scrolling down underneath Reset, if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair. The system components data won't be affected. Select Repair and give that a moment. And if you're still having a problem after you attempt to relaunch the Microsoft Store, you can come back in here and select the second option, where if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. Select Reset. So this will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once that's done, there should be a check mark. You can just close out of here. And then I would recommend restarting your computer. Attempt to launch a Microsoft Store again, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.